Hello students. Now after completing 3.3, let us come to 3.4. Now till 3.4, NCERT exercises deals with elimination method. So we will be completing till 3.4 of NCERT. Then I will be explaining the cross multiplication method and hence we will be doing the further exercises. So let us start exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 question number 1 says that for a given system of linear equations, solve it for x and y by elimination method as well as substitution method. Now children, you are knowing elimination method as well as substitution method, but in these sums both the methods has to be done. So let us proceed. The first question number 1, subpart number 1 is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Let us start the solution. Given system of linear equations are, first you have to write what is given in the question. X plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Let us make it equation 1. This was equation 2. Now let us solve first by elimination method. So what shall I do? Let us write here elimination method. Elimination method. Now let us multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. So implies 2x plus 2y equals to 10 and 2x and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. This equation 2 I have written. So subtracting, we get minus plus minus. These two cancelled and 2y plus 3y is 5y and 10 minus 4 is 6. So y equals to 6 by 5. Now let us put the value of y in either of the equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is looking to be simpler, so we will write 1 implies x plus 6 by 5 equals to 5. This implies x equals to 5 minus of 6 by 5 equals to 25 minus of 6 by 5 equals to 19 by 5. Therefore, answer is x equals to 19 by 5 and y equals to 6 by 5. Now by substitution method. Substitution method. Now equation 1 implies y equals to 5 minus x. Let us make it equation number 3. Putting this value in equation 2, we get, let us put 2x minus of 3 into 5 minus x equals to 4. This implies 2x minus 15 plus of 3x equals to 4. So let us do this side. This implies 5x equals to 4 plus of 15. This implies x equals to 19 by 5. Now putting x equals to 19 by 5, in place of putting you better write substituting. X equals to 19 by 5 in equation 3, we get y equals to 5 minus of 19 by 5 equals to 25 minus of 19 by 5 equals to 6 by 5. Therefore, answer is x equals to 19 by 5 and y equals to 6 by 5. Continuing with exercise 3.4, let us do question number 1, subpart number 4. I have left subpart number 2 and 3 as an assignment for you. Please do, and if not able to do, send in the message or the comment box. Now let us do question number 1, subpart number 4. The question is solve by elimination and substitution method. So first, by elimination method we are solving. The given system of linear equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1 and x minus of y by 3 equals to 3. So I have started. Given system of linear equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So over here 3x plus 4y and this 6 brought this side, so minus 6. Let us make it equation number 1. Again, the second system of equation is x minus of y by 3 equals to 3. Again take the LCM. LCM is 3. So 3x minus y equals to 9. So we have got two equations, these two. Sorry, this one and this one. 3x minus y equals to 9. Now this one written over here. Now coefficient of x is same. So we can directly subtract it. So subtracting we get these two are cancelled. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. And 9 plus 6 is 15. So y will be equals to 15 by minus 5, that is minus 3. Now putting y equals to minus 3 in equation 2, we get 3x minus of minus 3 equals to 9. So 3x plus 3 equals to 9. Therefore 3x is equals to 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Therefore x is equals to 6 by 3 equals to 2. Therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. Answer. Now let us go to substitution method. Now let us solve the same sum by substitution method. The two system of linear equations which we got by solving these two was 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6 and 3x minus y equals to 9. We have solved this by elimination method. Now let us solve it by substitution method. Now 2 implies y equals to 3x minus of 9. See over here, y was negative, so made positive. 3x, when will go to that side, will become negative, so made it positive. 9 is positive, so made it negative. I mean, I have changed the sign of all three terms. Now substituting this value of y in equation 1, we get three x plus 4 into 3x minus 9 equals to minus 6. This implies 3x plus 12x minus of 36 equals to minus of 6. This implies 15x equals to minus of 6 plus of 36. This implies x equals to 30 by 15 equals to 2. Now putting x equals to 2 in equation 3, we get y equals to 3 into 2 minus of 9 equals to 6 minus 9 equals to minus 3. Therefore x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3. Answer.